Oh, here's a Fiat 500, which we've just bought for £150. We're going to do it up and see how much it costs us to do up and see how much we can sell it for at the end. Right, it's got a broken door handle, which I just bought a new one on eBay for 11 quid. Needs a windscreen, where someone smashed it up. Needs a new front bumper. Here's the windscreen. Needs a new front bumper. Bonnet could be replaced, it's got a couple of dents in it. Needs a rear quarter window and a rear glass. So we're going to have to speak to our mate Alec up at the local scrapyard. He's going to be able to sort us out, hopefully. It's full of rubbish, as you can see. Bags of clothes in the back. It's been unloved, this car. The interior is going to need a really good clean up. And the seats are just minging, as you can see there. But we've got a rug doctor, one of these little handheld things for upholstery and car cleaning. So we'll give it a go in a minute. Here is the passenger seat, and as you can see, yeah, unpleasant. Right, now this is the rug doctor that we used. I bought it off the actual rug doctor company, 80 quid it was. And it does the job really well. It's got a little brush on it, put your fluid in there, it just sucks out all the rubbish. Right, so I've done over this seat, and as you can see now, it doesn't look too bad. There's a couple of stains still, so we're going to give it another good going over later. And look at this, minging water. That's all the crap that came out of it. Disgusting. Well, the door handle's been fitted. Didn't fit too bad, to be honest with you. Does the job. What more can you say? 11 quid, bargain. Done the inside door card with the rug doctor. Give it all that good clean while it was off. The carpet will need doing again. As you can see, the steering wheel is pretty skanky. We'll have to try and give that a good old clean up. This seat's been done. It's going to have to be done again. But down the side of the seats there, we've still got the side of the seats to do along there. Steering wheel needs to have a good old clean. As you can see, it's really skanky. This is a really minging car. Yes, and we need a rear light as well. Just cut the old glass out here, because the glass was going everywhere after we hoovered. So we've got to go to the scrapyard. Get that one, Alec. You can get that ready for us, mate. It'd be appreciated. And a driver's rear light we need. This one's got a massive hole in it. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.